Cards. Create cards. Create a set of custom cards with words or images on them. Insert into mozaBook. Prepare for your lesson and insert the cards into your exercise book. Create worksheets. Export exercises from the tool to the test editor. Let's find out how to use the Cards tool. Create each card in a separate row in the card editor. The content of the first cell will be on the front of the card. The content of the second cell will be on the back of the card. If you leave the second cell blank, the default background will appear on the back of the card. You can easily drag and drop images into the cells. If you want to replace an image, simply drag and drop another one to that image. You can add the cards to your favorites and display them separately. Click on the plus button to insert a row below the one you have selected. Click on the arrows to move the row up or down. If you want to delete the content of a cell or an entire row, click on the bin icon once. Click on it twice to delete everything from the editor. Click on this icon to swap the content displayed on the front and the back of the card. Click on it twice to do that with all the cards. You can display the cards in alphabetical order or at random. The order of the rows determines the order of the cards. Change the orientation of the cards to portrait, landscape, or square. Let's view the cards. Click on the right or left edge of the card to see the next or the previous one. Click on the bottom or top center of the card to flip it. If you click on this icon, you can display the back of the cards. If you click on this icon, you can display only those cards that were added to the favorites. Click on it again to see all the cards. You can insert your cards as images in the exercise book. Insert this tool into mozaBook as interactive content. If you click on this icon, a Match the Pairs exercise will be exported to the test editor, with cards that have content on both the front and the back. Insert into mozaBook as you wish. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.